Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to visit KARUIZAWA. Not the bullet train or the Shinkansen, but their great highway network system. It is indeed a fact that KARUIZAWA is geographically isolated from the rest of Japan. Nonetheless, the magnificent mega infrastructures made it highly accessible from the city center. Everyone can attest that these mega transportation innovations were built without sacrificing the nature and the total landscape in this region. I can assure you that using your own vehicles in your way here provides you with indescribable panoramic Shangri-La of nature compared to cutting your time trip using the bullet train. Coming here using the fast Shinkansen will give you 1 to 1.5 hours from Tokyo. However, if you're going to use your own car in accessing this place, it will take you like 3.5 hours from the center of Tokyo. However, you will definitely enjoy sightseeing with the magnificent views of different seasons. Now we are going to KARUIZAWA during the autumn season, and this is my first time to see these magnificent views. The train system is an effective mass transit system, taking you from Tokyo to KARUIZAWA. KARUIZAWA, or KARUIZAWA Machi, is a beauty remarkable town in the mountainous region of eastern Nagano Prefecture in Japan. This town is significantly located at the foot of Mt.Asama, one of the most active volcanoes of Japan, with its highest peak or elevation of 2,568 meters. Since this town is located at an altitude of 1,000 meters, it experiences a pleasant atmosphere away from summer heat. The favorable temperature enables you to do golfing, tennis, and nature tripping during autumn and summer, and skiing during the coldness of winter. The area of present-day KARUIZAWA was a part of Shinano province and developed as KARUIZAWA Shiku as a small post station of Nakasendo Highway connecting the Edo with Kyoto during the Edo period. In January 1879, Kitasaku district was created including KARUIZAWA. In 1886, there was a rapid internationalization of KARUIZAWA for Western influence and Christianity from Canadian Anglican missionaries. And in 1942 to 1945, during the war, KARUIZAWA was made as an internment camp for enemy foreigners and diplomats of the World War II. And lastly, in 1951, KARUIZAWA was selected as the International Culture and Tourism Site. Alright, let's pause for a while for history talk because we are now immersing to the good nature of Kumo Obaike Pond, where we can see a perfect view of the red and gold and silver leaves as reflected in the waters of this pond. This is a nature-perfect masterpiece where your family can hike and see this very notable nature color change of the leaves during the autumn season. I really appreciate this overwhelming cleanliness of the water. Oh, I'm a bit lost. It is very undeniable that the most popular reputation of KARUIZAWA is having a clean and sound environment, So this is an example, the hotel club. The local trees are outstanding representation of pine trees that are thriving in this locality. It always reminds me about Baguio City in the Philippines, where trees thriving are the local Benguet pine trees. Those are endemic in the Philippines. Strategically located at the middle height of the mountain of KARUIZAWA are actually houses or residential areas or second houses of those people from Tokyo and other major cities who can afford to settle here, especially during the distinguished season to escape away from a busy city life. This store specializes on DIY tools and gardening equipments as well as seedlings and vegetable crops for home gardening. These are very affordable. KARUIZAWA has 4 distinct seasons like winter, spring, summer, and of course the autumn, my favorite season of all. Furthermore, KARUIZAWA is a place where you can find geographical diversity, giving you a perfect view of the rivers and waterfalls. For me, this is a classic example of our rejuvenating and relaxing nature. When we talk about restaurants, there are also a lot, providing local and international cuisines. These are varieties of different recipes being prepared by the master chef in this exclusive restaurant. The revitalizing and nourishing nature together with your family will always make this place a home away from home. Moreover, I think I am very lucky enough to reach and visit the different notable places in KARUIZAWA, such as border between Nagano and Gunma. The neighboring communities has a strong influence of Western and Japanese culture. For shoppers, they have outlets for original brands. Visit the Usui Pass deck. Very close to these parameters are temples with Buddhas of 1,000 years old. High in the mountains, we ate cold and warm udon. It is absolutely delicious and authentic Japanese noodles. Autumn season is really highly distinguished in KARUIZAWA. While I was contemplating in the veranda of the house, I realized that KARUIZAWA is a complete paradise. We are so certain to visit this place again if we have chance in the future. We will always keep coming back because my heart is in KARUIZAWA.